Stop scrolling. If you're studying for the AANP or ANCC exam, you might be making mistakes that quietly sabotage your score. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 nurse practitioner study pitfalls and exactly how to avoid them so you can pass smarter, faster, and stress-free. Mistake number 1, studying without a strategy. Random notes, scattered PDFs, and YouTube videos won't cut it. Without a plan, you burn out and miss your weak areas. Here's the fix. Build a phased schedule. Foundation, reinforcement, assessment. Time block your sessions. Use active recall and regularly track your progress. Structured studying is the key to higher scores and less stress. Mistake number 2, ignoring test-taking skills. The exam isn't just about memorizing facts. Distractors, tricky wording, and look-alike conditions test how you think, not just what you know. The fix is simple. Learn to break down question stems, spot keywords, and eliminate unsafe options. When you apply content strategically, you answer like a pro under pressure. Mistake number 3, relying on one resource, one book, or video leaves blind spots. Exams pull from multiple angles, so no single resource is enough. The fix? Combine videos, question banks, PDFs, and study guides. The more angles you cover, the fewer surprises on test day. Mistake number 4, waiting too long to do practice questions. Saving practice questions until the end is a trap. The exam tests application, not memorization. Here's the fix. Start questions early. Use them to identify weaknesses, practice thinking like the exam, and build endurance. Early practice equals less panic later. Mistake number 5, skipping mental and emotional prep. Even top students fail if anxiety or fatigue take over. Mental readiness is just as important as content mastery. The fix is simple. Simulate exam conditions, take breaks, get at least 7 hours of sleep, and study in calm environments. Confidence and composure make a huge difference on test day. Want real strategies that help nurse practitioner students pass the AANP and ANCC with confidence? Get access to proven study tools, structured programs, and a supportive community at LatrinaWaldenExamSolutions.com. Now tell me, which of these 5 mistakes do you struggle with the most? Comment below and tell me what you'll change starting today.